Yeah, people think flies, you know, the bugs go away. It's going to be winter in a couple of weeks. And people think, well, probably this week is going to be probably winter. Thanksgiving's around. And people think like all the bugs go away in the winter. No, they go into your house. There's flies. I've been seeing flies for the past week, and they're making their way in the house. So in the winter, we'll start getting some fly calls in the house. Like, you should have did a treatment. You should have maintained the exterior, but you know, people don't think that, you know, they need it until they need it. And then they're like, how are they getting in? Like, they're already in already. So we have to do the actual service. You know, do the exterminating, and then if the problem happens again in the spring, then we'll figure it out from there, because we can see them coming in and out. Usually you have a fly problem in the house if it's persistent. That's if you have a rodent infestation or an animal infestation in the house, because flies are attracted to odor. If it's a sewer problem, it'll be a different breed of fly. So if it's regular house flies, like that one on the gutter, it's not even that cold. I've seen them out and flying around January, February, when it goes from like 10 degrees to like 32, 35 degrees. Then you see them on the houses. But check this out. Yeah, this thing, yeah, it could just be attached to the house. It's just leaving it hanging. Why not just attach it somehow? Yeah, I would change that out. I can't do that unless I'm a homeowner doing it for myself. But I would just change the box into a all-weather box. Oh well, whatever. Because that's not good, all right? Now, these are kind of things I'll notice. Because I'm in the contracting trades. I have a lot of interest in home improvement and stuff during the, you know, back in the 90s, where everybody's speculating and flipping homes, and I thought I was going to get in on that. So I was like learning all about fixing homes and offering property management services, so I can have that experience. But then everything came crashing down, so at least I had the pest and wildlife to do full time. So it's nice to be well-rounded in this business, have experience. So I'm treating for crickets right now, but it covers 25 basic insects, spiders, regular bees, like if bees are overwintering. Usually it'll be one spot. I can take care of that. So you call me for one bug and you'll be warranted for a couple dozen extra bugs included for free, you know, because you're paying for the actual problem. So we'll give you some value there. We just hope you don't need it. But if you do need it, we're going to be there for you. All right, I'm going to go finish up on the inside.